Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic, how to lower your cholesterol levels naturally. High cholesterol can increase your risk of heart disease and stroke, so it's important to take steps to keep it in check. In this video, we'll discuss 9 foods that can help you lower your cholesterol levels. So, let's get started. The first food on our list is oats. Oats are a great source of soluble fiber, which can help reduce your LDL or bad cholesterol levels. A bowl of oatmeal for breakfast can keep your cholesterol levels in check throughout the day. The second food on our list is nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are all great sources of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels and lower your risk of heart disease. The third food on our list is fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and tuna are all rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and lower your risk of heart disease. Eating fatty fish twice a week can significantly lower your cholesterol levels. The fourth food on our list is basically all fruits and vegetables. They're rich in fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients that can help keep your cholesterol levels in check. Some great options include apples, oranges, berries, broccoli, and spinach. The fifth food on our list is legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are all great sources of plant-based protein and fiber, which can help lower your LDL cholesterol levels. Adding legumes to your diet can also help you lose weight, which can further lower your cholesterol levels. The sixth food on our list is garlic. Garlic is a natural cholesterol-lowering food. It contains allicin, a compound that has been shown to reduce cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure. The seventh food on our list is avocado. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help raise your HDL or good cholesterol levels and lower your LDL cholesterol levels. Adding avocado to your diet can also help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating and weight gain. The eighth food on our list is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants called flavonols, which can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels and improve blood flow. Eating a small amount of dark chocolate each day can have significant health benefits. The ninth food on our list is olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help raise your HDL or good cholesterol levels and lower your LDL cholesterol levels. It's also a great source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. So there you have it, 9 foods that can help you lower your cholesterol levels naturally. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Remember, a healthy diet and regular exercise are key to maintaining good cholesterol levels. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching.